Hello nerds, so in this video we are going to talk about merge branches. So there are two parts, one is merging into the main branch and another one is merging into the other than main branches. So first let's see how we can merge branches into the main branch. So in my previous video I tried to show you how to create a pull request. So by using the pull request we can merge our any other branch to the main branch, and only the repository owner will be able to do that. So here I have created two merge branches, which is from feature A to main and feature C to main. So let's open the first one, and it says it has conflict files. So conflict we will cover in our future videos, so I'm gonna ignore this PR as of now. Let's open this PR, and it says review required, so let's try to review that. First let me assign, let's see if I can assign myself. Okay, I cannot assign. Let's see how we can. Okay, here I can approve the changes. All good. And let's not wait for these steps. So there are a couple of steps I need to complete before merging it to the main branch. But as I am the author of this repo, so I can bypass that. So let's bypass that and merge the feature C branch into main branch. So let's merge it. So now the C branch, feature C branch is merged to main branch. So this is how we can merge things, merge other branch to the main branch. And now let's try to merge branches locally. So here is the same repo on my local site. So first let me get back to main branch. So if you remember, the changing branch command is git checkout, and whatever branch you want to go, just write down that branch name. So here I'm on the main branch, and now let me pull that, because we just merge the feature C into the main, and that should be synced with our local repo as well. So I'm gonna pull that, sorry. Now let me create a new branch, git checkout sb. Let's call it branch A, and let's make a modification. Let's say we call it branch A changes, and let's commit it. Git commit, sorry, git, first we need to add this, git commit. Okay, so now we made new branch and we created a new branch and made a change. Now let's see what branches we have. So git branch, and we have this number of branches. Now let's say I want to merge branch A inside branch C. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, we will switch to branch C. I want to merge branch A with feature C. So what I'm gonna do is, first we will switch to feature C, and now inside this branch I will merge our newly created branch, which is branch A. So the command to merge branch is git merge, and then whatever branch you want to merge, write down that branch name. So in our case, we want to merge branch A inside feature C. So now keep an eye over here and merge it. So as you can see, as soon as we merge the branch A, all the changes we done inside branch A is now in the branch feature C as well. So now let's add and push it. And once you are done, then you can push your change to the particular branch. So this is how you can merge the different branches. So the command is git merge and then branch name. So yeah, this is all about merging. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.